MyBusinessMobile Startup. When logging in to MyBusinessMobile, you're immediately taken to My Office and your Start page. This page is configurable, and we will show you through the preferences and how to set that up. It's also the first screen that you'll see as you log in, and if there was a message from us, it would be displayed here for a period of time. To set up your preferences, select Preferences. Once your preferences is selected, you can see now that you can edit your Start page configuration. You may show tasks, calendar, notices, expiration notices, expenses, and the weather. So for the sake of this exercise, I'm going to put the weather first and my calendar second. When I submit it, when I log in, my Start page will immediately show the weather as well as my calendar. Going back to Preferences, the next category is Change Password, which is self-explanatory. The next one's called Notices. Notices is a process where you can be notified of activity within the database. And this is configured for the administrator to be able to set up what activity has been done and who did it and when it was done. You can select your type of notification and say how many days you'd like it to be in your notices area, and then it would be taken from that, or you can say when I delete it. The next category is the left menu. This is a new item available in MyBusinessMobile 5.0. This item allows us to configure the entire left menu. Now we have a category called Add New. If you select that, it expands down and shows you all the items that you can add new. Selecting it again, it minimizes it. You can now put this on the top or the bottom. So for the sake of this exercise, I'm going to move it to the bottom. We also have a small calendar, which you can see here, that you can display at the top or the bottom. I'm going to move it to the top. You can then identify what order you'd like your menu to be in or not to display it. So for the sake, I will now select a few of these to just not display them for the sake of this exercise. Now when I submit, you can see that the left menu has now been reconfigured. Any items that were left I can easily get to by selecting the other links. That is how you set up your preferences.